Hello, welcome. In today's video, we'll be diving into switch statements in JavaScript. Switch statements are a powerful control flow feature in JavaScript that allow you to select and execute different code blocks based on the value of a variable or expression. They provide a concise and organized way to handle multiple cases. Let's dive into the code and see how switch statements work. In our first example, let's create a switch statement to handle different colors. First, let's define a variable called color and set its value to red. Now, let's create a switch statement using the color variable as the expression. Inside the switch statement, let's add cases for different colors. We'll start with the case for red. Next, let's add cases for yellow and green. For each case, let's write the code that should be executed when the respective color is matched. Remember to include the break statement at the end of each case to exit the switch statement after executing the code. In case none of the cases match the value of color, we'll add a default case that will be executed. Inside the default case, let's write the code that should be executed when the color is unknown. And that's it. Our switch statement is ready to handle the different cases based on the value of color. Now, let's move on to our second example. Suppose we have a variable called day storing the day of the week. We'll create a switch statement to handle the different days of the week. Inside the switch statement, we'll add cases for each day of the week, starting with Sunday. Next, let's add cases for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For each case, let's write the code that should be executed when the respective day is matched. Don't forget to include the break statement at the end of each case to exit the switch statement after executing the code. In case none of the cases match the value of day, we'll add a default case that will be executed. Inside the default case, let's write the code that should be executed when the day is unknown. And there you have it. Our switch statement is now capable of handling the different cases based on the value of day. Switch statements provide an efficient way to handle multiple conditions in JavaScript. They allow you to write code blocks specific to different cases, providing a clear and structured approach to handling complex logic. Let's see what you learned in a short quiz. Which keyword is used to define the default case in a switch statement? Correct answer, C, default. Which data type can be used as an expression in a switch statement? D, all of the above. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in understanding switch statements in JavaScript. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more JavaScript tutorials and coding tips. Happy coding!